Hello and welcome to another edition of Ask Cheeky. I'm Isaiah Henkel, a Cheeky Scientist. Today's question comes from Daniel Joshi. I went to my first interview site visit but didn't get the job. Sorry to hear that, Daniel. I think it's because I really messed up with one of the interviewers when they were asking me about business concepts like my knowledge of their recent mergers and acquisitions and the new products they were developing. He kept talking about business acumen and industry trends too. What is this? This is a really good question, and we see a lot of PhDs very surprised when they go to interviews and they're asked about different types of business concepts. But really, these business concepts, they are transferable skills. Business acumen, that's a transferable skill. Your knowledge of current industry trends, that's a transferable skill. Your product and market knowledge, that's also a transferable skill. And those three skills together are highly, highly valuable in industry. So you want to make sure that you're developing them. And in most cases, you've already developed some, so you want to make sure you're leveraging them, certainly during an interview and even during networking events. So very quickly, product and market knowledge. Look around you in the lab or wherever you're working, and everything you see is a product. And some company makes that product. It could be a reagent, a kit, an instrument, a software program, whatever it might be. Doesn't matter if you're a STEM PhD, a non-STEM PhD, you're surrounded by products. Now, a company makes those products, and that company hires people and would love to hire somebody who has knowledge of their products, especially if they have knowledge of their products versus their competitors' products, which many of you will already have. That's product and market knowledge. You need to start leveraging this. And a great way to leverage it is to stop hiding from those salespeople that come into your lab or into your university and go talk to them. They'll want information from you, and you'll want information from them, like how to get a job. And so that allows you to exchange value very easily. Next is business acumen. So business acumen, in the most literal sense, is your ability to make effective business decisions very, very quickly. Right? So you could think of it as your way of leveraging your product and market knowledge. Right? So you have your product and market knowledge. Can you use this knowledge to make quick and effective business decisions? That's business acumen. And then finally, current industry trends. Think about everything you know about business, products, markets. Now, zoom out and look at all the different markets in a particular industry. Look how the industry is moving overall. Look what products companies are starting to invest in more and more, right? Like biosimilars. That's a very simple example of a current industry trend. That's on the increase. So start paying attention to these industry trends. Look into it. Do your research. Most of you have a strong background in research, so you can continue to develop these particular transferable skills and show up to an interview or a networking event and show off your product and market knowledge, your business acumen, and your knowledge of current industry trends. So until next time, remember your value as a PhD and start thinking and acting like a successful industry professional.